Number 11, a diamond ring normally sells for $1,275 is on sale for $1,020. What is the amount of discount? What is the discount rate? So we can still do this using the same properties that we've been using. So the total cost, we say the whole times that percent or that rate, is going to equal that new sales price, the part. We have 1,275 times an unknown rate will give us 1,020. So to solve for the rate, we will do this and then divide by that. So 1,020 divided by 1,275. So we'll divide these two. 1,020 divided by 1,275. So that gives us 80%. Okay, so this is actually 80% of the original price. So since we're doing a discount, okay, then what percent did we take off? If this is 100%, what percent did we lose? So this is the way just to kind of keep it the same that we've been doing. This will give you a discount of 20%. So you have to think, okay, I had 100% minus 80. That's going to give us a 20% discount. So that's how much this was discounted. The other way that you would have to think about that, there's a different formula called percent of decrease. And that would just get you straight to the 20%. But I was trying to show you without introducing something new. But percent of decrease. All right, percent of decrease, you would take your old value minus the new value divided by the old value times 100. Okay, so this will tell you the percent that you lost. So in terms of this problem, the old or the original price was 1,275 minus the new value, the discounted value, which was 1020, and then you divide by the original value, which is 1,275. And then you multiply that by 100, that's going to convert the decimal to a percentage. And that will give you the percent of decrease. So let me just show you doing all this. So I'm going to subtract the top first. So I'm going to do 1,275 minus 1,020. That gives us 255. And then divide this by 1,275. So that's the bottom part. And that gives you the 0.2. And if you do times 100, that gives you the 20%. So this way just kind of lets you keep doing the same thing, but you have to realize that this is the part. This is 80% of what you have. If you want to find the discount, you have to subtract that from 100. A little bit different when you're trying to find the discount. So it says, what is the rate of discount? Or what is the amount of the discount? So just the dollar amount. So there's two different parts. So the dollar amount, when you subtract those, you have to do that anyway. So maybe it'd be better to do this formula. When we did that, 1275 minus 1020, we got 255 in the calculator. So that's that part right there. So, and it cut off, I'm sorry. So that's just the original, the dollar amount of the discount is 255. And then the rate was 20%. So it may be better just to do it in the percent of discount formula. 12, after 1 year on the job, you got a raise from 1050 to 1071 per hour. What is the percent of increase? Okay, so there's a percent of increase similar to the percent of decrease formula. It's almost the same, just a couple of things change. So percent of increase. It is your new value minus the old value divided by the old value times 100. So what it does, it just kind of flips these two, if you compare it to here. And in the general sense, the value that comes in the front is always going to be the bigger value. It's going to ensure that you have a positive number. So when it decreases, you had an old value was bigger, the new value is smaller. When it increases, your new value is higher, your old value is smaller. So that's the change. You still divide by the original and still multiply by 100. So in this case, our new value was the $10.71. Our old value was the $10.50. And then we would divide by our old $10.50 and then multiply by 100 to convert that to a percentage. So we're going to do 1071 minus 1050. That gives us a difference of 21 cents divided by 1050 times 100. So we're going to do this divided by 10.50 and then times 100. So that gives you a 2% raise. So 2% raise, percent of increase was 2.